Hi there and welcome to the Today We Craft channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make peg bags. You can make this just by using a fat quarter, but make sure you pick a pattern where it doesn't matter which way round it faces. You also need patterns which are available from our website, iron-on interfacing, sewing scissors, a ruler, a coat hanger, and I've used a children's coat hanger for this project, a pencil, and a sewing machine. Start off by unfolding your fat quarter of fabric and placing it face down on a cutting mat. Place your template in the corner of your fabric, draw around and cut out. Decide where you want your front opening to be and then cut your template at this point. Place each piece of your cut template back on the fabric and cut around, leaving an extra 1 inch allowance on the edge that's going to be the opening. Once you have your 3 pieces cut out, we'll attach the interfacing. Do this by placing your fabric right side down and giving it a press to get rid of most of the creases. Cut out a piece of iron-on interfacing and place shiny side down on the fabric. You can either cut out the interfacing so it's exactly the same size and shape as your fabric, or use a Teflon sheet to make sure that the interfacing doesn't stick to your ironing board. Iron on a high setting to secure the interfacing. When it's cool, trim off all the excess before repeating this process with the other 2 pieces. Fold the opening edge of the front pieces over twice and sew along the edge to create a hem. Fold over the top piece once and run through your machine as well. Line up your back and top front pieces of fabric so the top edges match, and pin to secure. Line up the bottom front piece so that it's flush with the front top piece, and pin as well. Trim off any excess fabric with a pair of sewing scissors. Now we're going to sew all the way around, avoiding this top opening. Place your hanger onto the bag and using a pencil draw around the shoulders. This will give you a guide on where you need to sew. Leave a 1/2 inch seam allowance around the rest of the bag. Trim off the loose threads and remove the pins before trimming off the excess fabric around the corners, taking care not to accidentally snip your thread. Once done, you can turn the whole thing inside out, or right way round, before pushing out all the seams. You can overstitch around the edge, but I don't think it's necessary. Take your hanger and slide it into the bag. And that's your bag finished. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, then I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button and click the bell to find out when we release new videos. It doesn't cost you anything, but it massively helps out the channel and makes my mum so proud. If you're interested, then here's some more videos that we think you may enjoy. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.